So today I am going to be making another microwave treat in a mug. I'll be doing chocolate chip cookie in a mug, and this is going to be more of a texture of a soft batch chocolate chip cookie. And if you want to check out my brownie in a mug or my microwave mac and cheese in a mug, I will link those below or somewhere at the top of this video. Okay, so to get started, I have one large mug. By the way, check out my merch. Below this video, you'll probably see an icon for this mug. Or you can always go to teespring.com to my merchandise store, Simply Mama Cooks. Okay, so here I have my mug and I've lightly oiled it or greased it. So what I'm going to do first is add my large egg yolk, only the yolk, going in. And I almost forgot I needed to bring my brown sugar over here. Well, what I'm going to do is sort of break up the yolk. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. You can use regular sugar or light brown sugar. I really like dark brown sugar. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of softened salted butter. This is salted butter. So in the recipe, if you're using unsalted butter, then you'll want to add a pinch of salt. But since this is salted, it's good to go. I'm just going to whip that and combine that well. Okay, so now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna hopefully get that all in the mug without making a mess. And actually, I just realized I forgot to add my little splash of vanilla, so that's going to go in. You want to add the vanilla with the wet ingredients, but I don't want to forget that. I'll add it to the side. And it's probably like 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract that I added. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips. Get everything in there. Now you'll just want to combine well. Okay, so this is combined well, and I reserved just a couple of chocolate chips to put on top, and this is going into the microwave for 1 minute on high. Okay, so let's take it over to the microwave. My dirty microwave with all the fingerprints on it. Okay, 1 minute. There we go. Okay. It smells like a chocolate chip cookie. Take a look at that. So this would actually go great with the scoop of vanilla ice cream on top, but this is basically, oh yeah. Let me dive into it so you guys can see. Wow, that looks great. So this is an easy recipe for a chocolate chip cookie in the microwave. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.